juicing! Wow! We're here to teach you how to juice properly and safely, and understand the side effects of juicing. Now let's get started! Alright guys, this is my assistant Andrew. We're gonna start off simple, showing you how to make some orange juice. Now let's go! Hit him, Andrew! Oh yeah! Next up is lemon juice. The easiest way to get juice out of a lemon is to suck it directly out with a straw. Another way you can get lemon juice is to blend it all up in a blender. Let's go. Lemon, water, sugar, flour, protein flour. And you stick it in and you blend it up. Just like that. Just like that? Like that? Like that?
Just like that.
Just like that. Just like that?
Oh, the cap's not on.
I didn't know you need to have the cap on.
Yeah.
Like that? Like that? Like that! And then you blend it up! Then you blend it up! And you got yourself some protein lemon! That's done if I've ever seen it. Then you take it off, and you jump it out.
It's good!
Watermelon juice. Easy. Exhibit A, spear. Exhibit B, melon. Exhibit C, water. Water in the melon. That's why they call it a watermelon. Watermelon juice. Marco Polo never told me the fountain of youth would taste this good.
Rip that shirt off!
Coconut juice!
Coconut. Flavor of the gods. Friend of Tom Hanks. Magnificent.
Now that you know everything there is to know about juicing, you can do it yourself. Go out there, Tiger. Ruby, what do you have to say about our channel? I don't know, guys. She seems pretty excited. You should subscribe. She's gonna say something. Oh, she didn't say anything. But if she could say something, she would say, subscribe to our